This is your teacher, Sir Haris, accounting teacher. I hope that you are fine and in good health. Today I am going to give you the guess of O-level accounting 7707, and the variant is going to be 22. So we have two variants, you know that, 21 and 22. So I am supposed to give you the guess for O-level 7707 accounting and IGCSE. Obviously they are going to have the same papers in the upcoming exam for October, November 2023, and variant is going to be 22, right? So the first question which is going to come in the paper will be from petty cash book along with bank reconciliation statement. It may happen that you have a full-fledged question of bank reconciliation statement, but do remember that in bank reconciliation statement sometimes the examiner used to ask a statement-wise question also. So bank reconciliation in statement form, you have to do that also, because that is very important along with petty cash book. This is going to be the first question. Secondly, in bank reconciliation statement, you need to be very vigilant that the examiner is going for revised cash book method or double balance method. Sometimes you have to start cash book always with cash book, with the balance of cash book, but sometimes bank reconciliation can start from cash book balance or bank statement balance. So keep an eye on that. Second question will be from control accounts along with incomplete records. Simple control accounts can also come in the paper, but incomplete records can be a part of that. I'm not talking about single entry system. I'm talking about incomplete record where you need to prepare sale ledger control account, purchase ledger control account, and then you have to go for the income statement, only income statement, not the balance sheet. Expense, some part of the expense account, depreciation. You have to find depreciation through net book value method, and then you will be asked to prepare income statement by using markup or margin, right? There will be no question from non-profit organization. So this is the second question. Third question will be from manufacturing account. So manufacturing account is very important. Do prepare question from IGCSE, because all manufacturing account questions are coming from IGCSE pattern. So you have to cover that part also for your exam. Fourth question will come from company accounts along with accounting ratios. It can be a combined question, it can be separate question. Even ratios and company can come separately also, but ratios will definitely come in the paper. And if we talk about company accounts, there will be a preparation of income statement along with statement of changes in equity. The question regarding balance sheet of company accounts will not come. Income statement or along with statement of changes in equity with ratios, this is going to be a question. Fourth question, combining ratios and company accounts or separately also. Fifth question will be from errors. From errors, either you are going to have a question from that you have to pass rectified entries, then prepare suspense account and effect on profit, or we can have a question of corrected trial balance, because we didn't find a lot of questions of corrected trial balance in the past, but recent past में वो आई भी नहीं है, तो I think we should keep an eye on that also. Do remember that we can have a question of final account of sole trader. That will be a very simple question of final account of sole trader, having preparation of income statement. But if it will come, if the final account question will come, then in company's income statement will not come, because company's income statement and final account of sole trader, the income statement is prepared in the same manner. If final account of sole trader will come in the question, either second question, then company income statement won't come. Maybe there will be a statement of changes in equity along with ratios. So these are the 5 questions which you have to appear. Do prepare yourself well for the exam, and do always remember that you have a time constraint. That is very important, and you are willing to ask me any questions. My number is 0333471287, and I have a YouTube channel. I will upload the guests also on YouTube, and stay tuned for the A-level guests. Inshallah, it is coming within 1 or 2 days. Learn Accounting with Sir Haris is my YouTube channel. Inshallah, do subscribe that. Thank you very much. Take care.